Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble an X-spanner. It is extremely lightweight, very portable, and it's more cost effective than standard pull-up banners. So this kit comes in X-frame. So this is how you set it up. There's a little screw at the back where you can hold the position of the feet. Make sure it's tight. There are 4 hooks on each corner, and it has a little stopper here that you can screw in so that it's secure onto the pole. So this is ideal for shopping center display. So you hooked up the 2 hole on top, and then you secure the bottom. Similarly, there is a stopper at the bottom where you can hold the position of the hook. So once you get into position, you tighten it, and then it will stay there. Here we go, we have the X-spanner ready. In order to have the media ready for X-spanner, you need the little eyelets at 4 corners. So you need the puncher and the eyelet to do so, and we supply them separately. So first of all, on the media, you mark where you want to have the eyelet, ideally 5 centimeters away from both sides. So once you have a mark done, over here you have the eyelets. So it comes in 2. The one with the neck should go on top of the puncher, and the flat goes at the bottom, like that. Now, align the hole in front, on top of, in between the puncher.